people say, why didn't you get out? But it's not always easy. Through that time, the abuse, a lot of the things that happened, it was abuse. Whereas now, back then, I thought it was okay. Well, he's right. He's and just sort of went along with it. And it just felt like you were trapped. I remember going to the police, one part there, and basically just had to go home, nothing happened. I remember coming to Gisborne, catching a bus to try and get on a domestic benefit so I could get away, and that failed. I had to end up going back on the bus and just thought, well, I've got no choice but to stay here. It turns you up inside. You're waiting at home for him to come home, and you can't sleep. It's really horrible. It's sort of like I just want him to love me for who I am, but it's not enough. When I look back now, I wish that I just had the guts to just cut it off, because it did have an impact on my children. I often think I wish I'd been stronger to just walk away earlier. My community has given me the strength, and I know that because I get a lot of phone calls, or people turn up at Tūranga Health. Oh, the so-and-so told me to come here see Laura Biddle. And it makes you feel that there's people in the community who have trust or faith in me. If I send someone to Tūranga Health and you ask for Laura Biddle, she'll help you. This is the happiest of my life. I'm happy where I'm at. I'm strong, I think, for my children. But what also keeps me going is helping others, even within my job. But it's just a joy that I have sharing my knowledge and my experiences with whoever comes through Tūranga Health.